So yesterday we have created all these things, but we haven't seen the VAS order. Okay, so for us, we haven't seen the VAS order. So today's class we're going to complete this VAS. Okay, so all the activity, just we have to create the VAS. Okay, how it is going to work and all, we're going to check it. Then we're going to move to the what is that? This one, LOSC. Okay, so we have to complete the LOSC. LOSC is very simple thing. Okay, so once I'm going to finish this POSC, we're going to jump to the LOSC and we're going to finish that as well. Okay, so now I just go to the SAP screen. Okay, so here go to the VAS elements. Okay, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Under this cross process settings, value added service. So if you go to the value added service here, we have defined the number ranges and we have seen the activated mark. Okay, so it will be always active status only. So whenever it is you don't want it, then you can make it deactivated. Okay, so then go for the VAS relevance. Okay, define relevance for the VAS. So I'll go to 1100 as my warehouse. Okay, so this is what I have created newly. Okay, so I'll just show you. Here I have taken the inbound delivery and my item type is ideal way I have taken. Okay, because ideal way, where we're going to see it, I will just show you. You go to the PIDI screen and check your, okay, this is the warehouse and just execute it. Okay, if you don't have any inbound delivery, if you are just executing it. Okay, let's take for this. Here at the item level, if you can see, the item type is IDLB here. Okay, and item category is DLB. These things we have discussed very long back. Okay, so that's why I just shown you. Okay, item type will be IDLB here. So for this IDLB, I have taken. And one more thing is like I have maintained the packaging specification. All these things are done. But partner role, no, I have entered at earlier vendor. Okay, vendor will be shown in the item type. Okay, but see here. Okay, and just go to the screen. And here, if you are seeing partner, okay, this is where I'm saying I'm looking at the header level. Okay, so when you will look at the document level or the header level, you will be seeing the ship from party. Okay, ship from party. So I am giving the ship from party over here. Okay, instead of a vendor, I am giving the ship from party. Okay, so that is the changes what I have done here. Okay, and the whatever the VAS elements is, sorry, VAS activity is there, it is creating now. Okay, so we'll just proceed with one test case and we're going to conclude. Okay, so how the VAS work center will be taken care and all, we're going to see it. Okay, so just go back. Now I'm going to create one. What is that? Inbound delivery. Okay, so slash n PL 31N and okay, this is our PO. Okay, okay, VAS I'm creating. I'll just take one quantity here. Okay, and I'm going to pack it. Okay, now we're going to pack it in the carton box so that you can observe how it is going to move to the like DCTB as well as means it should move to the table. No, that one we can observe. Yesterday we have seen the panel. Okay, this one you have observed already, but we'll just take it and we'll proceed. Okay, you can take palette. Means just to understand. Okay, how it is moving and all that one we are checking it here. Okay, just go to the PIDI screen. Okay, and we need to your inbound delivery number here. So this is the inbound delivery number and we are having two items. Okay, if you are checking the HU should be there. Okay, so we have packed them into one HU and we have brought it here. Okay, so now go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions and warehouse task. go to the handling unit. Okay, here I'll just say create procedure means it is unloading the product. Okay, so first thing is unloading activity is going on. Copy your inbound delivery, go to monitor. Okay, here inbound delivery, warehouse task, just give your inbound delivery number and execute. Okay, so initially we have taken means unloading activity is going on. So I'm going to confirm it. Once I'm going to confirm it, the material will going to come and fall in the GR zone. Okay, they are coming into the GR zone. Then we're going to get three different warehouse tasks. Two are for the products and one for the HU. And this HU warehouse task, okay, I am saying this is I am moving into the GR zone to the deconsolidation station. Okay, here it is taken DCTV. Okay, I am moving into deconsolidation station. So then once I'm going to move to the deconsolidation station, here the source will going to change. Okay, so from DCTB to ST0 like that, it is going like that. Okay, so now what we will do, I will just go to the decon station. Here go to the execution. Under that we will go to the decons. Okay, so our decons we have to select the DCTB. Okay, that is the table, and execute this. You will going to see your what is that, whatever the HU we have taken, it is available here. Okay, now you want to change the HU, right? So just go to the deconsolidation, give your HU number. Okay, so source is this one, and packaging material I'll give directly 1100 carton. Okay, under the carton I am just packing it again and give the warehouse task. Okay, we're going to select one warehouse task and execute it. Okay, so it is changed. Okay, so I'll just take the same product. Okay, and take the same HU. Okay, in forward. Okay, not an issue, right? So I'll just confirm it. Okay, means I'll just say HU process is completed. For this also I'm going to say HU process is completed. This means whatever the activity we are doing in the deconsolidation, it is completed like that. Okay, complete process for HU step. Okay, step for HU or HU step. Okay, so now I'll go back to the monitor and refresh it. Now we are moving into the VAS. Okay, see both these things we are moving into the VAS from DCTB to VAS work center. Okay, just execute, confirm it in the background. Okay, so these things we need to see it in the VAS, right? So just go to the work center, go back, go back and open your VAS. Okay, so create confirmation for the VAS. So here select your VAS work center. Okay, so see here, based upon the HU also you can able to select. Okay, see here, this is the HU 40230. Okay, that one also I'll first execute this. Okay, you can able to see different VAS orders. See, these things we were not getting. Okay, VAS orders we were not getting yesterday. Okay, for based upon the HU also you can able to take. I said no, like 40230 there. What will I do? I'll go back. I want only one. See, if you are going inside here, you will be getting so many different things at a time. Okay, so many different things. You may get confused. Okay, which one is for what, like that. So that what you can do, just go back. You can go through the order and you can able to finish them. But sometimes if you are getting confused, what you can do, you can restrict them. Okay, so like based upon the status, you can able to restrict, or as based upon the handling unit. I'm just putting 40230 handling unit. Only this one I want to take. Just execute it. So you will going to get only that handling unit. Okay. So for that handling unit, you will be getting. Okay. So once I'm going to finish this VAS activity now, then we can move further. See, VAS activity means nothing. Some VAS orders will be there. Some activity will be doing it here. Okay. So those activity you are finishing it. You can finish it by both means two ways. See, once I'm going to double click on this VAS activity now. Here it will be showing like this. 1 minute. So here we are getting a vast activity here. This is the vast order, this is the vast activity. Here you can have the different things. Okay, we can say it is in process and completed without quantity deviations and with quantity deviations. Here, without quantity deviations means I am not going to vary the quantity here. Okay, so whatever the quantity, one quantity is there, no, the same quantity will remain here. Means let us consider in the VAS what you are doing. You are including two products and you are doing some labeling for that. Okay, let us consider VAS activity is that one. That time we're going to take the quantity deviations, because once I'm going to do the VAS, the quantity is deviating. Okay, here as of now, our VAS quantity is not at all deviating, so you can able to complete without the VAS. This one you can take, or else you can just right click on the VAS order. Sorry, here only, and the activity only you can right click is not happening. Yeah, one thing there you can change, or else here. Okay, it is in process means it will going to show means activity is going on, like that you will going to define. If it is you are saying completed, you will going to complete. Okay, I'll just say complete. Here you can see the status. Okay, I'll just click enter now. You can see the status, it will change to C. Okay, A to C. If it is in process, then it will be B only. Okay, so I have completed this. Once you completed the VAS activity, no, you have to complete the HU also. This HU also you need to complete. See here, this process you need to do it. Without doing this, okay, see what I'll do. Sorry, detail one tab. Okay, here this process is not yet completed. You just go to the monitor here, refresh it. You will going to create one more. What is that? Okay, it is not created. Okay, only once we're going to say it is completed, then only it will going to create. Okay, I'll say this HU step is completed. Okay, I'm going to complete only one HU step. What had happened? Unable to find the VAS order matching this selection. Okay, I'm going to take all is available. Detail one tab. HU step is completed. Only for one I have completed it. Okay, just go here and refresh the screen. Okay, here it is open now. Okay, it is opened. So we can move it from the VAS work center to the ST03. Directly we can move it to the ST03. That is, it is showing. Okay. So if you are confirming this from the backend, then it is the work step is completed like that. Okay, this step is completed. So the warehouse task is created for this, and you are moving the material from the VAS to the final storage type. Okay, so the same thing. Okay, here also the same thing will going to happen. VAS to the final storage type is there, but in the VAS we are not yet completed the activity, so still it is waiting only. So once I'm going to go to the work center, and what is my HU? My HU is okay. So here I have to go for this HU. Okay, one is 430 and 125 is my HU. Okay, what is 125 here? This is the 125. Okay, this one I have to create. And if you without doing all these things also, you can able to proceed for the what is that completion of the HU. Then also it will take, but some activity is going on no here. So we have to complete those activities. Okay, 600125. Go back, just view that one. Okay, or else we're going to get confused. 600125. Execute it. Okay, for only for this two things are coming. Okay, we are saying these things. So just complete this. Okay, so here A is there, no? What I'll do, I will just go here and I will complete the activity. Okay, so it is completed. Just finish the HU. Okay, I don't know what is this error. Okay, just refresh the screen. It should be open here. Okay, it is open. Now just move this material. Okay, move this material to the final storage step. You are just confirming it. That's it. Okay, so this is how we have completed the entire VAS activity. Any doubts here? Any doubts?
जब तक हम नहीं कर पाते हैं so we will not be able to ask doubts Sri bhai.
Okay, then not an issue. Please go through the topic. Okay, easy तो मतलब समझ तो आ गया ना?
समझ में आ रहा बट ये एक सिंगल वास के लिए इतना जरा वर्क का स्पेस होगा, इतना जरा पैकिंग अनपैकिंग, सो देखना पड़ेगा। ऐसा भी नहीं है कि पीछे वाला स्टेप्स रिमूव हो जाए, ऐसा भी नहीं हो रहा है कि हम अनलोडिंग किए तो
No. If you want to remove them, no, 1 minute.
ऐसा भी नहीं हो रहा है, सारा स्टेप्स नहीं।
एक minute. If you want to remove this unloading and all, you can remove it through the PUC only. Okay. If you want to remove, I'll remove and I'll show you. Okay. मतलब कोई PUC स्टेप में ना अनलोडिंग रखेंगे, बट डिकंसोलिडेशन हटा दिया तो भी डायरेक्टली इट विल बी मूविंग टू द वैस. ऐसा भी कर सकते हो आप. Okay, if you don't want, okay, so what you can do, go to the PUC here. Sorry, 1 minute.
आपका ये क्लास का आज ही वीडियो अपलोड होगा?
हाँ, every day it will be like this only.
हाँ, कब तक होता है टाइम?
I will be finishing at 7:30. No, by 8 o'clock you will get the video. That's it.
आज ये पूरा कर ही लेगा लगता है। नहीं कंप्लीट करने के लिए हम कभी 2-3 दिन में करते हैं। ये भाई आज 10 बजे तक खत्म कर देंगे आज के लिए। भी कर लूंगा, हो जाएगा। तो 10 बजे होने वाला है तो मैं कर लूंगा। सीख लोगे 10 बजे तक।
Okay, here for this, if you are removing the steps now, like I don't want unloading. Okay, so deconsolidation you don't want. Remove it. Remove the deconsolidation. Then you will just come up with the unloading, pass and put away. That's it. Okay, ये भी कर सकते हो directly. Okay, no. It is where we have mentioned it. No, this will going to matter a lot for us. Okay, this will going to matter a lot for us. So whatever it is there, we are just going through this. Okay, now.
So यहाँ पर पहला इसके 4 स्टेप बढ़ गए क्या? 4 स्टेप बढ़ गए क्या इसके?
नहीं, 4 स्टेप 3 था ना. Yesterday we have defined only 4 steps only. Unloading, उसके बाद में decon जा रहा है, decon से व्यास कर रहा है, व्यास कर से put away कर रहा है, बस.
Yes, actually we can tick that line corresponding to VAS also, right?
This one? No. It's because how deconsolidation activity is happening, and in the deconsolidation only you are creating the HU, okay, product HU, eros HU, इधर ही हो रहा है, ठीक है ना?
If we are removing deconsolidation,
हाँ, कुछ नहीं होता है, deconsolidation नहीं होता है अभी. Okay, इसको सेव करो. Deconsolidation नहीं होता है, directly you are taking it to the VAS and put away. That's it.
VAS and put away.
Okay, we'll if you want to check, we'll going to check it. Not an issue.
वो स्टेप्स हम छोड़ के जा रहे हैं.
हाँ, छोड़ के जाओ. /n VL31N. Okay. I am.
So in that case, task won't be created, right?
Pardon?
Task तो create होगा. टास्क क्रिएट होगा लेकिन एक्स्ट्रा नहीं होगा ना.
हाँ,
हैंडलिंग यूनिट का नहीं होगा.
हैंडलिंग यूनिट का नहीं, हैंडलिंग यूनिट का होगा ही ना. हैंडलिंग यूनिट का होगा ही. ओके, बिकॉज डिकंसोलिडेशन के लिए नहीं होता, बस. ठीक है ना. I'll take only one product here. Okay, let us consider, and I have to pack it because without packing PUC is not possible. Correct, no?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just pack it and save it. Okay, so 3070 it is created, and go to the PRDI screen. Okay. (3070) execute. Okay, this one is there, and go to the following functions warehouse task. Now, what is the first process which is going to take place?
Unloading. Right?
Unloading, correct? So it is IBDR. If you are creating this one, unloading is happening and it is coming to the GR zone. Okay, as we have taken the pattern box, it is coming to the GR one. Just create kar do isko. Then go to the monitor. Okay, so for this 3070, go to the monitor and warehouse task. Okay, here 3070 and execute this. Okay, next, what is our activity? Okay, here this one I'm going to confirm it from the backend. Okay, our next warehouse task will going to generate, that is for the VAS directly. See, GR se VAS directly. So enough. Then what I'll do, I'll just confirm this also. So VAS se direct put away karega. Okay, so I'll just refresh this screen. Okay, see, it is in the VAS. Okay, what I'll do, I'll go to the VAS work center. Like if you want to take a HU, you take it with the HU 4231 40231. Okay, just execute this. देखो इधर आ गया. Just double click on this, and if you are not completing this also, it is not going to matter. Okay, so इधर complete करके जाए तो ठीक है, नहीं किया तो भी directly you can just click on this HU and complete बोल के चला जा सकते हो. Okay, it is not an issue. Okay,
so by default वो complete नीचे वाला
हाँ complete हो जाएगा वो automatically. See, now it is moving from the
backend पे
the VSU to some ST0 and it is going. Got it, no?
Okay, so जितना materials line item रहेगा, and if we are having deconsolidation, our steps will increase.
Yes, definitely. अभी देखो, if I am putting what is that quality के लिए भेज रहे हो, let us consider some quality works and then another step will going to add up over here, correct?
So, क्वालिटी के लिए आएगा तो then अनलोडिंग पहले होगा और उसके बाद क्वालिटी आएगा, उसके बाद वैस पे जाएगा,
उसके बाद में डीकॉन जाएगा, डीकॉन से क्वालिटी जाएगा, क्वालिटी से वैस जाएगा.
Oh, okay.
Okay, no?
Can you write that in step in Excel? Normally ये वैस के लिए क्या क्या steps आएगा? I mean, what will be the starting point and what will be the end point?
Okay, so first we'll going to do the unloading. Okay, and we'll go into, okay, if deconsolidation activity has to be done, then if you go to the decon station, after that if आप VAS कर रहे हो, then if you go to the VAS, or else if you are going to the quality inspection, okay, it will go into the QI, then VAS, okay, then put away. Okay, so like this we will going to take. Okay, so next, okay, the topic is about the LOSC. It is also one more interesting topic, but very easiest. Okay, LOSC. That is nothing but the layout oriented storage control. Okay, see, what do you mean by layout oriented? We are not looking at the process over here. Okay, process, it will be happening. Okay, it will be happening at the back end. See, but here we want to take the layout. Okay, layout means what? Let us consider. Okay, this one we have seen it in the previous class also. Just for example, we are having some different zones, like some hierarchy is there, or else also LOSC. If you see the image, okay, okay, some high racks are there. For the high rack, you cannot able to put the material directly. Okay, we cannot able to put the material directly. Or else some mezzanine floors are there. I'll just show mezzanine floors. Okay, mezzanine floors are means something like this you are having. Okay, for this you cannot. Okay, so whatever the forklift you are bringing, no, here some VAS is going on. Let us consider. Teacher say it is coming. Forklift will going to bring the materials from the VAS. It cannot directly climb this stairs and keep the products over here. Let us consider your storage types ST0 and ST02, 3, 4 जो भी है, they are on the mezzanine floor. Okay, so the storage types are over here. How the forklift will going to climb this and it will going to keep it over here? It is not possible, right? So that is why what we're going to do, we're going to create one temporary area here. Okay, it is very, very temporary area. Like I'm going to, the whatever the forklift is coming, it will come and place it over here. Or else we can able to create one ID point as well. Okay, we're going to create one ID point. There we're going to place the material. From the ID point, we're going to take it to the top floor. From here, it will be moving to the some storage type. We have to create one, what is that? Storage type over here, okay, at the ground, and storage type we have to create at the top. Okay, these two are temporary storage types. Understanding me? Yeah.
Okay, say भाई,
Yes.
one quick question.
Yes.
यहाँ पर ये mezzanine floor पे only manual activity is possible. By picking that manually, the people will be taking and they will be keeping that in that particular storage bins. Am I right?
और एक बात पूछिए आप.
No. यहाँ पर ये mezzanine floor पे only manual activity is possible.
Yes.
By
Here,
picking the items
no. Actually, actually here no. In the mezzanine floor, manually activities are possible. But LOSC mainly they'll be using it in the high racks. Okay, where some MFS activities will be taking place. Okay, some conveyor belts will be taking. Okay, I have shown that diagram. Okay, initially only. And just go here and open this point.
भाई इसमें इतना सारा टॉपिक्स है तो इसका क्वेश्चन है सब अभी प्रिपेयर किए हैं क्या? आई मीन व्हाइल रिक्वायरमेंट गैदरिंग टाइम पे क्या है?
नहीं रिक्वायरमेंट गैदरिंग चल रहा है ना अभी. रिक्वायरमेंट गैदरिंग ही चल रहा है, उसका ही कर रहे हैं अभी. बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन पूछना पड़ता है उन लोगों को. Okay, here just observe this.
You are performing that activity?
Which activity?
I mean requirement gatherings पे जाके questions पूछना, questionnaire prepare करना.
Yes.
prepare करना.
Yeah, we are doing it. Okay, they have sent us some layouts of their warehouse. Actually, they are asking us to visit them, and then only we'll going to understand clearly. Because there are very, very big warehouses are there. Like how much I think they have shown something. Okay, very big warehouse they have. They are having it in the Dubai and Saudi Arabia. They are asking us to visit that. Okay, तो घूमने के लिए 5 किलोमीटर ऐसा कुछ है मेरे ख्याल से.
Okay.
So they are asking us to. So we have to plan for that. So see here, I'm just giving some idea about. See some products we are storing it here. Okay, these are some temporary ID points. We can say this. Okay, once I'm going to keep some labeling or relabeling, whatever the things we are going to do here. I'm going to do it and I'm going to place in the conveyor belts here. Conveyor belts, they are taking here. See here, they are going like this, and here they are coming to some mezzanine floor. Okay, so through the mezzanine floor, you are doing some other activity and packing it to some other boxes, and those boxes will be moving to the high rack through the ASRS, right? Okay, automatic storage and automatic retrieval. Okay, correct. So this one is taking place here. So automatically, if you want to do some activities, then also this mezzanine floor things, it is important for us. Okay, some products are going here. Okay, some products are going here. Some products are going here. Okay, so for this also we're going to use this.
यहाँ पर बड़ा ट्रक से जो भी हमें मटेरियल्स आ रहा है वो सब हम छोटा स्प्लिट करके रखेंगे. So based on that will be moving on this conveyor belt. Or what could be the capacity? I mean,
yeah, these things and all they will going to define it. Okay, capacity and all they will going to take care of this. Okay, we can able to give the capacity for this conveyor belts as well. Okay, so जो भी मतलब warehouse orders create करेंगे, so based upon that we're going to put them over here and they will going to move. Okay, MFS even I don't know. Okay, this activity I never done it. Okay, no, because if you want to do the MFS now, we need that kind of environment. Okay, so I never come across that in my projects actually. So whenever we are having the MFS, here PLC, CNC, all those things will going to take care, okay, these activities. But whatever the integration of the EWM is there, it should take through this PLCs, okay. Then only it will be possible. But as of now,
Okay, just explain what is the PLC and CNC. PLC is product life cycle.
No. PLC is nothing but no. PLC, that is not comes in the product life cycle. Okay, this is a programmable logical control. So yeah, so means whenever you are seeing some conveyor belts will be having some motors. Okay, so how these motors should run? Okay, whether the motors, okay, they motors will be having the steps. Okay, so how many steps if the motor is rotating so that the conveyor belt is moving to particular what is that particular speed along with the particular distance. Okay, it is completely depend upon the motor step. Okay, motor. I think you have come across the stepper motor and all. Okay, so there again we will not go into this. Okay, so based upon the how many rotations or the steps it will going to cover here. Okay, the steps will be taken like this only, the rotation of the motor. For one rotation of the motor, okay, we can define the speed also, we can define the distance also. So if that is the distance, then we will going to tell, okay, if the step is covering this much, it should go to this particular station here. Some station is there, ID point is there, let us consider. Okay, here some materials will going to get segregated, and once I'm going to keep it over here, some will going to through this ASRS, it will be storing at this particular storage types, and some will going to move through this conveyor belt and coming over here. Okay, either say either ja raha hai. Okay, so like that the activities are taking place. But all these things will be taken care by the PLC. Here, EWM is integrated with them. Okay, programmable logical control. Whenever EWM is going to give the command, okay, so we have to move it to this particular box center like that. The EWM is going to move give the command. Okay, that time PLC is going to actuate the motor, and motor is going to rotate. And we will once the material is come over here through the sensors or so we can able to identify the material and we can able to stop the motors. Okay, like that the technology will be there. Okay, have you ever visited any warehouses like big
No.
warehouses? Okay,
No, never.
okay, then it is you may or else any industry
Yeah,
where
it is challenging to see all these things.
or else no, it is okay. Any industry where you can see the conveyor belts and all. Conveyor belts भी नहीं देखा है क्या?
नहीं भाई.
Yes,
I have not.
yes. I car manufacturing. Yeah.
मतलब if you are seeing some mega factories, no, there you will be seeing the conveyor belts and all. हाँ, sugar factory में भी रहता है. Yes, you are right. Because earlier when I was working as a design engineer, I used to work for these things only. Okay, I used to prepare the design for the conveyor belts and all. So like the gantry systems you might be knowing. Okay, gantries means they are going to do the pick and place applications. Okay, it will going to come like this. 1 minute. Gantry. We are deviating from the topic actually. See, these are the gantry systems. Okay, so like some missiles and all. If you are creating, no, that time these things which will be having a endoform. Okay, that is a endoform EOD will going to call. Okay, endoform is going to take this products and they will going to move it to different stations. Okay, wherever the work needs to be take place. Like this, we used to prepare. Okay, in our designing. Then they used to get assembled in our warehouse and they used to test. Okay, initially test run will be done. Then they used to take it to the customer. There we're going to do the assembly. Like that we used to do. Okay, like this is the gantry. For how the gantry system is going to operate, this is completely operate through the PLCs. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll leave it. And we are discussing about the measurement flow, right? So what we have to do, we will going to create two storage types here. Okay, two storage types, temporary storage types. Then we'll be moving it to the final storage type. Okay, see, as you said, okay, here manual activity will be taking place. Okay, here but most of the time, okay, where I have shown now in the diagram, automatically, so whenever you are having some LOC means it is a automatic system they are going to consider. But here it is a manual system, okay? And this works with the HU as well as non-HU as well. But and one more thing, it is possible to mix with the PUC as well as the LOSC. But at least one PUC step should be prior to the LOSC. Then only it is possible. Okay, you can able to mix PUC and LOSC. Okay, but PUC step should be there at the back end. Then only you can able to take the LOSC forward. Okay, like that we can able to. Or else don't mix it directly. You want to do the LOSC, that is possible. But as of now, we are having the VAS. From the VAS work center, I have removed the unloading. You have seen that, okay? From the VAS work center, we'll directly bring the product, okay? So that one we're going to check it now, okay? Then one more thing is, we're going to create two storage types here, okay? One to keep the products at the floor, okay, over here, and one we're going to keep it here at the first floor. Then from here, we're going to keep it to the ST01, okay, or ST0 and ST0.
यहाँ पर ये difference yellow color है ना वो किस लिए differentiation के लिए या उसका we can drop the materials over there also.
Where here?
Yes.
No, this is I don't know.
Design.
Yeah, this might be I don't know exactly what is yellow and all. Okay.
Sri,
yes.
Material damage नहीं हो इसके लिए.
क्या हुआ भाई?
फोर क्लिप से जब भेजते हैं तो वहाँ पे मटेरियल डैमेज नहीं होगा, नहीं तो उससे टकराएगा ना.
नहीं इधर I don't know. Okay, एक मिनट मैं दूसरा डिजाइन लेता हूँ.
See, POSC, LOSC, both are the parts of inbound delivery, right?
POSC, LOSC, yes, both they are the inbound delivery. Yes, you are right. मैं ये वाला डायग्राम लेता हूँ, okay? इधर येलो नहीं है. तो इधर भी मतलब ऊपर तो कैसे तो जा रहा है मटेरियल, इधर कहीं तो है, okay? So we are just moving the material, that's it, okay? So here we can take this one. Here from the stairs, it will be going to the top floor, okay, no? So let's create for this, okay? Without wasting much time, we're going to create two storage types, okay? /n SPRO IMG SCM EWM extended warehouse management, okay? Go to the master data and create a storage type here. Okay, I will be creating, let us consider, I am creating 1100 is there. Some, what is that? The ground storage area we are going to create. Okay, ground floor storage area, something like that. Okay, I will just say ground floor storage area. Okay, we are going to create like this only. Okay, this is a ground floor, like that I am going to say. Okay, and what are the different things I need to explain for this? Same thing. Okay,
type role.
Yeah, this one I need to confirm. Okay, and I have to give some 4 I am going to give. I don't want to give 2 or something because I will be creating only one bin here. Okay, so just go down, just say confirm removal. Okay, and here it is not the final storage type. I am not going to give any availability group also. This is enough. Okay, only I am giving this much only. Understanding? No? Any doubts here? Nothing is there. Okay, only I am giving a confirmation put away and the put away rule I am giving. Yes.
Storage type rule is also not defined.
Storage type rule. Where is that storage type rule?
So
this is this one. Role. This is the role. Role is not required. I am not giving any kind of what is that pick area identification. If you want to create the ID point, you can take it as the ID point. Okay, not an issue at all. Okay, you can create the ID point from here. Not a mandatory. Just I am creating one. But if you can, if you want, you can create the ID point. You can move forward. Not an issue. Okay. So what I am doing, I am creating one GFSA. Okay, that is the ground floor. Okay, click enter. आपको चाहिए तो ID point ही create कर लेते. Not an issue. Okay.
ID point click कर रहे हैं तो storage behavior भी हमें कुछ देना पड़ेगा, right?
नहीं कुछ नहीं दे. इधर only you have to maintain the HU requirement. Okay, HU requirement चाहिए इसको. HU required or not required वो देना पड़ेगा. Okay, or else remove it. Okay, because HU anyway we are bringing it, not an issue. Okay, just save this. We are creating one. What is that? Ground floor. Okay. So I am going to create one more storage type for us. Okay, that is the what I'll say, first floor. I'll say first floor storage area, like that I'm going to give.
See,
Yes.
how many storage types we are using in means one layout rated storage company? Can we use more than one?
Layout oriented storage control. Yeah, you
Yes,
can use more
storage
than one,
type.
not an issue. Yes, but for that we have to define something like that. Okay, so it will be very tough situation. And though आप use कर रहे हैं ना, मतलब if the okay, I'll 1 minute. I'll just put it for the charging. Okay. So where were we? We were discussing about two storage type. Okay, and Jay asked about if you are creating two levels of uh, layout oriented, then we have to define it something like that. Okay, I'll just show you where we will going to define those things. Okay, there we can able to define the two levels as well. Okay, it is possible, but it will be little tough, I think. Okay, because here, however, I am going to do some conditions though. Like that, you have to give the conditions for that also. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go back here. So I have created two storage types. That's it. Now I have to create two bins for this, right? What I'll do, I'll just go here. /scwm/ms01 and take. And here I'll say bin is ground floor bin. Okay, I'll give like this. Okay, this is for the ground floor storage area. Okay, save it. And next is first floor bin. Okay, this is the first floor storage area. Like that, I'm going to create two bins over here. Okay, so now our storage types are ready. Okay, now I'll go to the LOSC process. Okay, just go here /n SPRO IMG SCM extended warehouse management. Here cross process settings. Okay, warehouse task. Okay, here we have the PUC and here we have the LOSC. Okay, define layout oriented storage control. Just execute this. Here we need to do for hours. Okay, so for hours nothing is there. Just say new entry here. Okay, just observe this how I will be giving. Okay, if you are not getting, please do ask me. Okay, so our warehouse is 1100, and what I'll give, I'll going to give the VAS. Source is like now. I'll go here. What is happening as of now? Okay, what is happening as of now? I'm just taking one warehouse here diagram. See, first I am. This is the door. Okay, from the door, unloading is happening. Okay, let us consider some door is there here. Okay, door is there. From the door, this is my GR zone. GR zone. Okay, this is the GR zone. Here unloading is happening. Okay, after the unloading, we are directly sending it to the VAS. Correct? No? we have removed that deconsolidation. We are directly taking the VAS. From the VAS, it is moving to some measurement floor. Okay, here some measurement floor is there. Some ST0 and ST02, whatever the storage types are there, they are over here only. Here it is ST0 is there, and if you go here, it is ST02 is there, ST03. All these things are available here only in the measurement floor. Here is one ground floor. From the ground floor, we are moving into the first floor. Then we are storing the products. Correct? No? Understanding this concept? Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So means what is the source for the moving up of the products from the ground floor to the top floor? It is VAS only. Correct? No? This is the source now. Okay. So this is the final step at the PUC. From this step, I need to take it to the LOSC. Correct? So for that, just see how I am doing. I am giving the criteria here. My source is what is that? VAS work center. Okay, I'm just taking that VAS work center here. Double one VS is the.
See, we can take from GR zone also. No?
Yes, yes. If you are not maintaining with means if you are not maintaining it with the PUC, then you can take directly VAS and we can LOSC and we can do it. Okay, but I am mixing it with the PUC means I have to have one process, okay, one PUC process before the LOSC process. Okay, you should remember this. If you are mixing it with the PUC, okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So now I have given the source as double on VAS. Okay. Then I want to give the destination. Let us consider. Yeah, this what is that? Destination storage type. Okay, destination storage type. I want to give this destination storage type as some ST01. Okay, ST01 is the destination storage type. Okay, I want to give. And here intermediate storage section and bin is there. Okay, directly give the bin. Okay, we're going to take the intermediate. Okay, see, if I want to move to this destination storage type, what is my intermediate storage? What is that? Intermediate storage section or the storage type is asking. 1 minute. Okay, not this one. Okay, destination storage type is here. Okay, here it is a destination storage group is there. This is the destination storage type. Sorry, I need to give it here ST0. See, my warehouse is this one, and source I am taking from the VAS, and this is my destination storage type. For moving to the destination storage type, I have some internal storage types. Okay, internal storage type. What is the internal storage type here? We are going and looking at the diagram. From VAS to some storage type I want to move. Okay, VAS to storage type. Here is the VAS. Okay, moving over there, I have the intermediate storage type as ground floor as well as the first floor. First, I'm going to take the ground floor. Okay, first I'm going to take the ground floor. My ground floor is GF. SA is the storage type, and here we have the bin. Okay, in the GFSA section we have not created. Sorry, I have to take the bin directly. It is there. 1 minute. I have to take the bin directly. Section we have not created. No, that is it. Okay. Still not coming. Okay, I stop this transaction. Okay. So I'll just go again. Okay, SPRO, IMG, SMEWM, extended warehouse management, cross process settings, warehouse task. Okay, here LOSC I am going. Okay, I say new entries. My warehouse is 1100 and source storage type. Okay, source storage type is VAS 11VS, and my destination storage type is ST01. Okay, I am moving to the ST01 means I will be having the yes.
Yeah, one question here. Like, why we are putting the destination storage type is ST01? We have the destination is the storage type created, no? Ground floor or first floor.
No, they are not the destinations. Okay, so as I said, whatever the storage types are there, ST01, 2, 3, 4, they are available here now. So these are not my destination. They are the intermediate. Okay, so after going through this intermediate, I will be going to the destination. Correct? No?
Okay.
So I will be taking the ground floor. Okay, this is the intermediate. Okay, and the bin I am going to select for the ground floor. Okay, this is the ground floor bin. Okay, next same thing. Okay, 1100, and VAS is the here is the product. Okay, if it has to go to ST02. Okay, ST02. Okay, how it will go to the ST01 or ST02? On what basis it will go? Strategies, no. It will going to identify, okay, which based upon which strategy it will go to this particular thing. Okay, so that is what I am explaining here. Okay, if ST01 is to go, ST02 or ST03, ST04, this is the intermediate. Okay, GFSA is the intermediate for me. Okay, and this is the bin. Okay, what is that? The ground floor bin is the intermediate bin. Okay, like that I am defining for everything. I'll be defining the same thing. Okay, 11PS. Here ST03. Okay, here GFSA is the ground floor bin, and I want to give this bin as well. Okay.
But we are supposed to include first floor also, right?
Yeah, I'll come to that. Okay.
Oh.
Here GFSA, here ground floor. Okay. So like this, until this have you clear? Okay. Until this have you clear?
Yes.
If it is going to any storage type, okay, if it is going to any storage type, this is the intermediate. Like that I have given. Only ground floor I have given. Okay. Are you clear with this?
So the only difference is interim storage type we are going to bring over here in LOSC.
Correct. Yes. Next, only one sentence I'm going to write here. If my warehouse is 1100, and here my source, okay, I'm going to give the source here. Okay, my source is GFSA. It is now the material in the GFSA. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, for this GFSA, my intermediate is FFSA. I'll give. Okay, FFSA, and whatever the bin is there, I'm going to provide it that. Okay, I'll explain this. Okay.
But FFSA is also final, right?
No, it is not the final. No, 1 minute. It is not the final one. What I have done, I have created GFSA here. Okay, and here only at this moment I am created the FFSA. Okay, this is the first floor. One worker is there. He is going to pick the materials from here and he is going to keep it here. And idhar se ek banda jaake idhar he is going to put it here. Like that I am taking. Okay, no, I don't want this. I don't want this. If you are telling just from here, one person is taking like directly here. You remain with this. Okay, you don't give anything. Okay, now you don't give anything. What it is going to happen? Now it is going to take like this. But if you want, okay, I have created one more storage type here. Okay, the material should move from here to here, then here to here. Like that, if you are taking, then you have to give this.
Okay.
So
in that case, FFSA will come, and from FFSA, final destination will be the final bin.
Correct. See, now the destination. Okay, so I have given. Okay, these 4 steps. I think you are clear with. Okay, the final one I will explain. See here, what is happening? The source is GFSA because the materials are in the GFSA right now. Okay, before going to this storage type, the materials are in the GFSA. No, bye. Okay, so once I am going to the material from the GFSA, okay, to the storage type, here I am having one more intermediate, that is FFSA. Like that I am giving here what is that rule here. Okay, no? Okay, I'll just save this. Now we're going to do one.
So यहाँ पर final वाला save नहीं कर पाएंगे. I mean, we are not going to include the final storage bin also.
No, it is final storage bin here, no?
First floor bin, okay.
Now, 1 minute.
Final is not Dinesh bhai, final is not the FFSA. Final is ST01234.
Yes.
In between, the intermediate is GFSA is coming now. Then it will goes with FFSA. ये कंडीशन दिया है इनमें 4 के साथ में एक ये एक्स्ट्रा GFSA आएगा तो FFSA पे जाके फिर फाइनल में जाएगा.
Okay. Any doubts here?
तो श्री यहाँ पे आईडी पॉइंट वगैरह वो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से आएगा या फिर यहाँ पे भी चेक कर सकते हैं पिक पॉइंट आईडी पॉइंट
ID point either say matlab only that is based upon the configuration. See, if I am giving the ID point for the GFSA, it is the ID point, that's it. Correct, no?
In the end there are pins like ID point that I
ID point पे हाँ more pins भी डाल सकते हो तो कोई सा भी bin है ना उसको इधर दे सकते हो आप intermediate bin वो है करके.
उसके आगे वाला कॉलम है ना.
Then you will going to take the ID point for that. See, if this is the ID point, I am going to take the ID point for this, but it is not the ID point for me. Correct? No, I have not created the ID point. Am I right? वो है तो इधर टिक कर लो बस हो जाएगा ठीक है ना. Okay. So now we're going to do one test case. Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Mobile for 2 minutes. Okay, wait for 2 minutes. I'll give you. Okay, so now we're going to do one test case. I'll just create one. What is that? Inbound delivery. VL31N. Let's take only one product, and we're going to proceed with that. Okay, this product I'll just remove, or else it will be too many line items. Okay, I'll take one product here, and as I'm processing the POC, I need to pack it. Okay, or else you cannot able to do this. I'll just pack them. Okay, so here I am going to save this. Okay, so my what is that inbound delivery got created, that is 3071. I'll just copy it and go to the PRDI screen. Just give your inbound delivery and execute. Okay, now we are getting this inbound delivery step, and it is with the HU. Okay, just go to the following functions and various tasks. Where it will go now? First step is unloading. Correct, no? Am I right?
Right.
Okay, so if you are creating, it will going to come to the GR zone. So it is going to come to the GR zone. Okay, then I'll just create the save. I'll do it. Then I'll go to the monitor. Okay, just copy this and go to the monitor. Here in the monitor, just open your inbound delivery and warehouse task. Give your inbound delivery number. Execute this. Okay, from here, where it will go? From the GR zone. Now it is, I am just confirming the GR zone. After that, one more warehouse task will going to generate. For that warehouse task will going to create for what? GR zone 2? Yes, okay, it will going to create for the VAS now. Okay, because I am not taking the deconsolidation activity, it is taking for the VAS. Okay, So what I'll do, I'll just confirm, means I'm going to the VAS like that I'm saying here. Okay, I'm just moving to the VAS here. Then we have to go to the VAS work center to process this. Okay, I'll just go here to the VAS work center, logistics. Okay, SCM, extended warehouse management, execution. Then here VAS. Okay, here you can execute or else just take this 40232 handling unit 40232, you take it, execute. So that you will going to get that one only. Sorry, I have to give the VAS work center. So just execute this. Okay, see here. So you have got the 40232 and you just complete this step. Complete this step. And you say finish HU as well. Okay, after this, where it should go? Okay, from the VAS, where it should go? Tell me.
GFS.
Yes, exactly. Okay, if you are refreshing this, VAS is completed. From the VAS, see, one product warehouse task is generated. That is going from the VAS to some storage type. Now it is going for the GFSA. Correct, no? So once I'm going to say like execute it from the back end, it will go into FFSA. See here. From the GFSA, see all these things it is taken and it is defined the FFSA here first. So FFSA it is taken. From GFSA to FFSA is going, and here also it is changed. Okay, here it is changed from the GFSA to ST01. Now if I am confirming this, then it will going to change. Okay, if I am confirming, okay, sorry. So once I'm going to confirm this, no. So just observe it here. Okay, now it is changing here. FFSA to some ST01 it is moving. Now it is open also. Whatever it was showing, no. Now it is open. Now you can directly move it to the. Means once you are confirming it, it is moving to the ST01 like that. Confirm it. It is going to the ST01. That's it. Understood? Know the concept of LOSC. The simple concept is there. Okay. What had happened? Okay. So it is confirmed now. So any doubts here?
Only one quantity we have taken and been available. So it is taken ST0. Otherwise, this will go to another ST02 also.
हाँ, अगर ST01 खाली नहीं है तो ST02 पे जाएगा. Okay, so we have completed with the complete inbound process now. Okay, now from now onwards we have to take the outbound delivery. Outbound delivery will go into little fast only because all these things, VAS, deconsolidation, all these things we have completed here only. We'll directly take the, if you are taking some, what is that, PUC processes and all, we're going to create everything at once and we can take it. Okay, so here for a 1-1 activity, we have taken 1-1 class, right? So it will not be the same case with the what is that outbound. We will going to finish it soon. And in the outbound process, I'm going to explain it from the Monday. Okay, how the outbound activity is going to take place and all. Okay, no? For the outbound, we have not yet we have to create the strategies where it will going to pick and all. So all those things we're going to see it. And we will going to see how the initial stock upload is going to take place. Okay, that is also important thing. Initial upload of the stock. Okay, so how it will be taking place and all, we're going to check that also. We'll see it. Okay, so that is it. And if you have any doubts while practicing, please put that in the group. Okay, some or the other people will be replying for that. Okay, so even if nobody is there, I'll just reply for that. Okay. Okay then. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Sri. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.